Now, I've always made my kindling with one of these. It works great, but you're always chasing kindling around on the floor, and you have to be careful of your fingers. So, what I've seen a number of splitters online, and this was what I like the best. They're usually, the ones I've seen, are usually inside of a bucket. And it's just a piece of scrap metal with a splitting wedge welded to it. I showed it to my wife, and I thought, what a great idea. I think I'll build one of those. And she looked at it, and she thought, wouldn't it be nice if you made a little hole in the bucket and it sat on top? So that now, when you split your wood, you just carry off your bucket of kindling, and you keep your fingers.